The LGBT community has adopted certain symbols for self-identification to demonstrate unity, pride, shared values, and allegiance to one another. LGBT symbols communicate ideas, concepts, and identity both within their communities and to mainstream culture. The two most recognized international LGBT symbols are the pink triangle and the rainbow flag. Gilbert Baker designed the Rainbow Pride flag for the 1978 San Francisco Gay Freedom Day celebration. He designed the flag as a symbol of hope and liberation and an alternative to the symbolism of the pink triangle. The flag does not depict an actual rainbow. Rather, the colors of the rainbow are displayed as horizontal stripes, with red at the top and violet at the bottom. It represents the diversity of gays and lesbians around the world. In the original 8-color version, pink stood for sexuality, red for life, orange for healing, yellow for the sun, green for nature, turquoise for art, indigo for harmony, and violet for spirit. A copy of the original 20 by 30-foot, 8-color flag was remade by Baker in 2000 and was installed in the Castro district in San Francisco. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.